All right, Liam. Quick briefing on Mrs. Henderson in room 7. She's stable post-cholecystectomy, but her pain management is proving a bit dynamic. The patient-controlled analgesia isn't quite hitting the mark for her incisional discomfort, despite repeated boluses. We tried adjusting the basal rate earlier, which seemed to initially help with the general ache, but her breakthrough pain episodes are still quite frequent, especially with movement.
Right, Mrs. Henderson, PCA not fully effective. Mihira, should I reassess her pain scale again? Perhaps look at her facial expressions more closely?
Precisely. Beyond the numerical score, observe her nonverbal cues. Also, she's expressing some nausea, sporadic, but it's impacting her oral intake. We've got Zofran on PRN, but let's consider if it's related to the opioid or perhaps her diet. And don't forget Mr. Peterson in room 12. His blood glucose has been fluctuating wildly. His morning insulin dosage needs a meticulous double check today, and ensure he's adhering to his diabetic meal plan, especially after that unapproved biscuit delivery from his family yesterday. His hyperglycemia last night was certainly a consequence of that.
So, Mrs. Henderson's pain and nausea, then Mr. Peterson's fluctuating glucose and diet adherence. Got it, Mihira.
Excellent. Prioritize Mrs. Henderson's pain first, then delve into the nausea. Mr. Peterson's glucose management is critical, but perhaps less immediately acute than Mrs. Henderson's discomfort.
Mihira, it sounds like your body is working hard to recover from that recent illness, and what you're experiencing is a very common flare-up of asthma. Think of the airways in your lungs like sensitive passages that became inflamed and swollen from the infection, and they are now producing extra mucus as part of the healing process. This combination makes the passages narrower, which is why breathing feels so difficult and tight. It's not your fault, it's simply a predictable reaction after a respiratory bug when you have asthma. The most important thing now is to support your body in calming this down. Please use your inhalers exactly as prescribed, even if you feel they are only helping a little. The preventer one works to quiet the inflammation, and the reliever helps open things up when you feel breathless. Small comforts can make a real difference too, like sipping warm water with honey and a squeeze of lemon to soothe the irritation and help loosen the mucus, and keeping yourself well hydrated throughout the day. Rest as much as you can, giving your body the space it needs to settle. You know your body best, so if things feel like they are getting worse instead of better, please do reach out to your doctor for that extra support. You deserve to feel at ease in your own breathing again.